Hey, I just wanted to go over a couple of things to help you out with turning in assignments on Canvas. Um, for some of you, this just it's a lot all put on you at once. So I just want to go over it again just so that we're all clear on what you need to do. So we have Canvas. This is for my U.S. history class. I have put it on student view, so you're just seeing it in that format. Okay. Most Canvas courses have a home page with a little explanation. I set mine up where it goes to modules, so you can click either place to the left or there. For my class, I um, have little videos and little explanations that are in this first expectations video section. I use them for the week and then I put them down below. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to work on the build up to the Civil War right here. This is where you should start. You can start from the beginning. We are a week into it, but um, I'm confident that you can get it in fairly quickly. Okay, you can get through a lot of this. Um, so you can see there's icons. So you have either discussions or quizzes or assignments. So I just want to look at assignments. Okay, so we'll just go to the secession political cartoon assignment here. Instructions are on the assignment. So this one has 3 questions and a couple other questions to answer. There are 2 ways you can do this. Okay, so you click assignment. Oh, this one actually only has one option. And that's the text entry. This is the easiest for most students. So from here, you just go ahead and you um, you write your answer. So you can scroll up and you can be like, okay, so what did the effect of the southern states, blah, blah, blah. They don't. Okay. And you can go through 2, 3, 4, whatever. Okay. And then you can submit the assignment. The other thing, if you're doing an essay, you can submit it the same way, except there will be other options. You can do it from your Google Drive. So if you type something up on Google Drive, you can click here. It will be right here, and you can see it that way. Okay, canceling, keep the first one. Okay, so that's how you turn in a regular assignment. I think the one before, no, I did that one. Got to remember how I have this organized to show you what I use the most of, and that is discussions. Okay, so in this one, I gave an explanation in the push video this week, but you can look at that. But with discussions, you reply. So you do the assignment, you do what it's asked, and then you reply and you say, um, you go ahead and you answer it and you participate in the discussion, um, and you hit reply. And then once you've hit reply, you can see the other assignment, the others that are there. Um, I will then grade these. They come in, I grade them fairly quickly, and I work through it. The last thing, if you're not sure if you've turned something in, is to go to grades on the left-hand side. This really gives you the ownership instead of asking, well, have I done it yet? Well, I don't know. Okay, so you'll come here, and this is a test student, so it doesn't say that it's been answered or not. Um, I haven't turned in things. We'll say if it's missing, these ones aren't due yet, so it's on time. Once I get these graded, this just says text T for text entry, discussion, if it's at a doc, whatever it might be. And then I put the grade in. Okay. From this, you can also click on it and see the um, notes that I might have left. Okay. So I hope this helps. I will and let me know if you have any other questions.